So I'm going to make a quick video about a noisy PC fan. Specifically for mine, it was my power supply fan that was just making this god-awful noise, and I had to get rid of it. But this applies to any fan, any fan that's in your PC, not just the PSU. So first, what you want to do is turn off the PC. Mine is turned off, and then this isn't going to be pretty, but it'll at least show you what to do. And then I'm going to take this off. I turn off the PSU, hear that little click, and I unplug it. And just for good measure, I always power it back on, just in case. There we go. Now I'm going to take this off. And then right here is my power supply. So as you can see here, I have about 4 screws I have to take out in order to take out the PSU. So let's do that now. Now, if you just have like a regular PC fan and you want to skip ahead, I'll have it in the notes below. You can skip ahead and just see how a normal fan works, because the fan inside looks just like a normal PC fan. So be very careful. And at this point, I'm just going to slide power supply out, not to mess up anything. Here we go. So here's the fan. So this is what I got to take out. So now, push this back up. So now that I have the fan out, I have to take this grill off, and I have to take the this kind of bracket off. I'll show you in order to get to the fan inside. So let's take this grill off. Now that that's off, there's some smaller screws on the outside, and that's what's holding the fan into the power supply. You want to be very careful with the power supply. It is a delicate piece of equipment. I would advise probably not being me and leaving everything hooked up, but I'm lazy and hopefully careful. All right, so now I can get to the fan, because I have to get to the underneath part of the fan, because I can't get to where I need to oil in order to stop the noise, because you have to oil inside in order to do that. So there's this outside bracket that I need to slide off now that I've unscrewed those screws, and it's off, like so. Now, fan is free. While I was in here, it was very dusty, so I just blew everything off just to clean it up, because you're not going to do this very often, and I blew off the fans as well. So now you can see here, I did rip this apart because I was just too impatient to try to rip off the sticker, so I just ripped off the center. And if you can see inside here, you can see, it's hard to see, but it spins inside. And all I had to do was just take a dab of oil. You want to use machine oil for this, and then I just squirted it in, and it kind of sat there and pooled. And what I had to do was just, I walked away for about 15 minutes. I did a quick spin here and there, but then I walked away for about 15 minutes, let it sit, and then in about 15 minutes, that little pool of oil that was sitting on top slowly seeped down to where it needed to go. And then once that was done, I gave it a couple more spins, like so. And I was good to go. Now, the one thing that I would tell you is if you add too much, you can always just flip it over and then just put it on a piece of paper or something and just let that come out. But all you need is just one little dab. That's it. It doesn't take a whole lot of oil for this to work. If you want, you can tape it back up. I'm not going to, but you know, for good measure, you could tape it back up. So now what we have to do is put it back together. So this little plastic piece has to be down. And put that down like so. We're going to put the cover back on. Make sure we're not hitting anything important. There we go. Get that right back on. Gotta line the fan back up. I always like to do a zigzag pattern when I'm putting stuff back in. It's just a habit. Now, one thing you want to do is make sure these screws are all the way in, or it'll be a nightmare trying to put it back in, because there's very little tolerance. And when you're sliding it in, if these are sticking out, it will make it very hard to put the power supply back in. So make sure these are flush. All right, now that we got the fan back in and the grill back on, we're going to slide the power supply back in. So the plug was facing up and then the switch was facing down. So what you want to do is just kind of make sure you don't hit anything, drop it in gently, and then slide it up. And you can see back here, I just put those screws back in like so. Just need to line them up. All right, once you have everything screwed back in, you just want to plug the power supply back in. And then just going to push this back in, like so. We're going to turn the power supply back on. There we go. And then, let's see. Does it turn on? Oops. There we go. Lighten up like a Christmas tree. And again, like I said, you can do this with any of the fans. It works primarily the same. Hope this helps. Take care.